Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always supporting. So when you come into this apartment, as you have seen, it has a lift, but again iko na stairs. Ka uko na nguvu ya kutembea kwa stairs you can, but nani hapendi raha? So nikuchukua tu lift na kuenda. This is how the outside looks like. It's a huge place. Uko chini, as you can see, your ground, it's big enough for the kids to play. I love they have a swimming pool. I didn't like their swimming pool. It's not that clean, but the whole building is good. Yani, it's just a vibe. Your building and the ground to play iko first floor, see ground. So ground floor kuna parking. Yeah, see, you just watch how the house looks like, and don't forget to subscribe at the end of this video. Like, comment and share if you love this. Bye bye. So the first thing that you see when you come in is the kitchen. This house has an open kitchen, so if you go like this, it's just a place, a sink for you, and then some storage down here, another storage, microwave, kettle, another storage up here. So here is where they place the utensils after they are cleaned, and these are just our foodstuffs we bought when it came in. There is a microwave. There is a microwave here, and then there is a cooker with a working oven. But since we came here, we have not baked anything. Then this is just our food, the one that we cooked, the one that we are eating tonight. And then there is a gas cylinder. Up there, there is more storage. We have some foodstuffs again. More foodstuffs there. Even we didn't finish our eggs. And so guys, as I was saying, here there are more storages with our foods, more of our foodstuffs. And then this is just a light to light down here if you want more light when you're cooking, but you have never used it before. Hapa you have a water dispenser. We didn't fill, we just bought that one. It's already over. And then we have this other space, another countertop. So I really love the kitchen. It's big, it's an open kitchen. You can see the storages from here, all the storages, countertop. Yani, it's just a good deal. And then when you come here, we have our fridge. We don't have a lot of things inside. It's just empty. It's empty, only tomatoes. Yeah, and then that's the kitchen this side. This is our dining space. Don't worry about everything, is just everywhere because we are getting ready to leave. So this is our dining space, but you have never eaten from there. Yep. So when you go this other side, this is the sitting area. You see our bags. We are almost leaving. So up there is nothing much. I'll just show you how it looks like. This is how the sitting area looks like. You've got a TV, a smart TV, and then they have paid for Netflix. There is Wi-Fi. Yeah, the laptop doesn't come with the house. And then there is this storage. If you need to store some things there, we didn't have to because we didn't have a lot of things. Yes. And then this carpet, I love how the carpet looks. Yeah, so this is how the sitting room looks like from this angle. I love those bulbs. They don't have a lot of light, so if you want to watch, you can just put this bulb on and put this one off. Just look, it's simple. I love how the ceiling is looking simple. I don't like complicated things. Yeah, this is just our bag, our suitcase. As I said earlier, we are leaving. And then this wide, it's a door made of glass, so it brings a lot of light during the day. I love this one. Just look at the texture. So this one can open like that. You just push. You can't see well our view. I will show you when it is during the day. Now we'll just take you to the bedrooms. So this is how it looks like from this angle. There is sitting, and then kitchen, and then when you go like this, you have 3 doors. This one here, this one, and this one. This one is our toilet. So let's start with our bedroom. You can see how it looks. Hey, so messy. Don't judge. We are about to leave, and we are so busy we didn't even have time to make our beds. Just look at the wardrobe, the way it's big. I love how they made their wardrobes. Our jakunyima space, you can put a lot of things. I won't be opening it because it is so messy inside there. And then when you go like this, there are these curtains again. I just love how they are. And then the big door. It's a door stroke window. It brings a lot of light during the day. I will show you during the day also. If you open, you can open and it takes you to the balcony again. You can see outside. When you go like that, you can go to the sitting room. Yeah, so when you are at the balcony, it is sharing the sitting room with the bedroom. And this is not a master bedroom. This is not a master bedroom. So this is how the bedroom looks like. This is how it looks like. I love their lights. It's just simple. During the night, you can put this on and put this off. You see, there is light but not a lot of it. Yeah. So let me take you, we go to the toilet first and then to the master. So this is our toilet. And you walk in, this is how it looks like from down. It's dirty. You see me? We have our mirror, we have some lights here. So if you're doing your makeup, if you're a makeup person, you are good. We have this ya kuheat maji, so maji moto is always 24/7. You see, I had washed Shazad's clothes, and out there tulikuwa tumeanika zingine mo, so I had to hang it here. Kuna hii part sasa ya washroom. You see the shower, but I know that thing ya kulala ndani. So you know the thing I'm talking about. So this is how the washroom looks like. This is how it looks like. I'm taking these videos at night and you can see how the lights are. But I will also show you during the day. Now we go to our master bedroom. When you walk in, the first thing you see is this, your washroom. And that's how it looks like. It's the same one as the guest, as the main washroom. It doesn't have that thing for that water tap. It doesn't have it. It's just a normal. But I love how they have separated toilet from the bathroom. And then when you go straight here, don't worry about the messy bed. Don't worry about the messy bed. As I said earlier, we were so busy. So here, the curtains again, but the windows are not going all the way down. It's just a good window, and there is no way you can get out from here. So yeah, that's how it looks like. And the wardrobe is the same size as the other room. The lights are even the same. Yeah, so you can see I'm just using the lights from the walls. It is not that. This is how the place looks like. But maybe I'll put on a picture or a video when it's during the day so you can see well. I think the only reason this is called the master room, it's because it has this toilet from inside, but I don't see any difference from the other bedroom. They're just looking the same. Yeah, even the other one is better because you can go outside. It has that door from the balcony. Yeah, and that carpet I forgot to show you guys. So that's how it looks like. Yep. Back to my favorite spot in the house. This is how this place looks like from here. When you get in, this is your view. Yeah. And that's it, guys. See you in my next one. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed this one and you subscribe to my channel. Please, if you want more of this, subscribe to my channel. Good morning, guys. So here is the view as I had promised last night. And so this is during the day and you can see our view the way it's good. Nature, who doesn't love nature? This is the place from here. This is how it looks like, standing from this door. And then something cool, you can enter from here into our bedroom. I think it's locked now. We haven't spread the bed yet. Lazy beaches. Just see that huge wardrobe. See this guy always following. From here, you can go this way.